Ever wondered what a product quality audit is? It's a term you might have come across, especially if you're involved in the manufacturing or service industry. But for the uninitiated, it might sound like a jumble of complex words. Fear not, for today we delve into the intriguing world of product quality audits. Imagine a scenario where you're the proud owner of a manufacturing unit. You have a robust production line, your products are flying off the shelves, and customers seem to be pleased. But then, how do you ensure that the product you're putting out in the market consistently meets the standards you've set? This is where a product quality audit comes into play. A product quality audit is a systematic, independent, and documented process for obtaining evidence and evaluating it objectively to determine the extent to which the audit criteria are fulfilled. Sounds a bit technical, right? In simpler terms, it's a process that investigates the quality of a product to make sure it's up to snuff. Now, where is a product quality audit conducted? This process takes place right where the magic happens, the production floor. It's here that the audit kicks off, evaluating everything from the raw materials used, the production process, and even the staff involved in the process. So, who conducts this all-important product quality audit? It's usually an independent body, often a certified auditor or a team of auditors. These auditors are trained professionals who know exactly what to look for during an audit. They're like detectives, sifting through the production process, looking for any discrepancies that might affect product quality. Now let's summarize the key points about product quality audits. First, a product quality audit is an examination of a product and its production process to ensure it meets set standards. It's like a health checkup for your product, ensuring it's in top shape for consumers. Second, it's conducted right at the place where the product is made, the production floor. This allows the auditors to get a first-hand look at the production process and evaluate it in real time. Third, the audit is conducted by an independent body, usually a certified auditor or a team of auditors. Their independence ensures that the audit is unbiased and objective, leading to more accurate results. So the next time you hear the term product quality audit, you'll know exactly what it's all about. It's not just a fancy term, but a crucial process that ensures we, as consumers, get the best possible products. Remember, a product quality audit is like the unsung hero of the manufacturing world, tirelessly working behind the scenes to ensure that every product that reaches a consumer is of the highest possible quality. It's a testament to the commitment manufacturers have towards delivering only the best to their customers.